So we're looking at a vintage headlight number plate assembly from a 1978 Suzuki PE175. This was also used on the 1979 model. The headlight is in very nice shape. It is the original Suzuki plastic, the original Suzuki headlight ring. These are becoming much more difficult to find complete lately. This is the top number plate section. It does have the tripometer. The knob for the tripometer is missing, but it is a fully functional unit. We're going to go ahead and power up the headlight so you can watch this one turn on. So here you have high beam. And here you have low beam. Now we're going to spin up the odometer so you can see that turn as well. Again, the number plate is complete. The color is faded. You will need to address cleaning and restoring the plastic. Click on the link below for pictures and details, or to buy these vintage, hard to find parts right now at a very affordable price. Vintage King Motorsports, where quality and price always matters most.